lift off the engine cover. The oil filter is located at the back, on the right. Using a 27mm socket, remove the oil filter cover. Lift out the oiled filter, the residual oil will drain into the sump. Now, underneath. Lower the flap to access the sump plug. Using a suitable container, drain the engine oil. Once drained, replace sump plug. Don't forget to use the new copper washer. Place the oil filter in the housing, ensuring that the nut engages correctly. Swap over the rubber seal on the cap, then fasten down. This can be a little tricky, engaging it into the oil filter. Some pressure is required. Now refill with engine oil. Don't forget to check for leaks with the engine running. Then recheck oil level. Here's some more useful BMW videos.